To use a Visa gift card on the Apple Store, start by making sure your gift card is activated and has a sufficient balance to cover your purchase. Next, open the Apple Store app or visit the Apple website and browse for the items you want to buy. When you are ready to check out, select the items you want to purchase and click the Checkout button. You will be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. If you do not have one, you will need to create one. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to the payment method page where you can select the option to add a new payment method. Choose the credit or debit card option and enter the details of your Visa gift card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the address associated with the gift card as the billing address. This is usually the address of the person who purchased the gift card. If your gift card does not have an associated address, you can try using the address of the store where the gift card was purchased. After entering the payment details, review your order and make sure everything is correct before submitting it. If your gift card balance is sufficient to cover the purchase, the transaction will be processed and you will receive a confirmation email from Apple. If your gift card balance is not sufficient to cover the purchase, you will be given the option to add another payment method to cover the remaining amount. You can use a credit or debit card, or another gift card to pay for the remaining balance. It is also important to note that some Visa gift cards may have restrictions or limitations on how they can be used, so make sure to check the terms and conditions of your gift card before attempting to use it on the Apple Store. Additionally, if you are having trouble using your Visa gift card, you can contact Apple support or the gift card issuer for assistance.